हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे इज 6th of October and let's discuss what we discussed earlier and हम लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट yesterday's वीडियो, हम लोग ने क्लियरली डिस्कस किया था कि इट्स राइटर्स डेन. So that means like it's not, the market is not for the buyers, so it's basically for the writers. Premiums are being managed and moves are coming like without I mean it's not based on the data points, okay. So things are moving against the data points. Last time this happened continuously is in the month of June. That too, it was during the last 2 weeks or last 1.5 weeks of June, and this again is happening. But this time there is a little different. It's not only supporting, it's not only like based on the data points, but also there is something to note, that is the premiums are being very well managed. Even if you look at futures, so this is just the October first week, okay, just ends yesterday. So this is the second week starting to today Friday. So usually during this time, if you notice the futures and the spot price, so the difference is at least 80 to 100 points, okay. But now if you notice, the difference is like as of now it's 34 points. So again, it's showing that like futures even the futures premiums are also being managed. And even like, let me just show you that yesterday I showed you that even though market moved up, CE price did not increase, okay, at the end. And even today also, like here when this red candle came, so the price of 19,600 PE went to 66, okay. So notice down the time 1420, not even 1 hour, like just only 40 minutes after that. So when this fall came, which went further down, but the premium almost hardly went to 64, okay. So here the premiums were being managed, even though the call side, if you say that we would have bought call, so though this up move came, but the call premiums were also like not rising above 120 very well. And even like yes, so today we had a loss making day, so one option buying trade was taken. Even like this trade 19,600 PE, which was taken at 82, and notice on the time, and finally again bought it at 75 here, so 1036. So 1036 was during this candle, that is this candle, okay. Then this up move came, and then again this down move came, but during that down move the premium should have gone a little higher, but still again the premiums did not the put premiums did not go higher. And again, I mean the delta is perfectly not working, as like the delta shows you that with 1 point move in Nifty, how much the price of the put or the call premium will go up, but that is also not working as expected. So again, you would say that this is a low VIX regime, but again, I mean low VIX was also in the month of June, but this problem was not there, okay. So this is a new problem that we are facing nowadays. So I have I have made a strategy to save or I mean to trade even during these type of scenarios. But still the best thing would be to wait and see if this vanishes out. Like even in the month of June, it took 1.5 weeks, and then again things came down to normal. So here also, why these things are being done is because they want to wipe out the buyers, okay. So it's a perfect market for the non-directional traders. Buyers are being wiped out. And why are they are being wiped out? I think because we are heading towards like a big move in this month, or maybe in the coming month. So talking about the thing is that like here, that is at the end when this down move came, so then if you would have noticed, then the put premiums were not increasing, though the call premiums were increasing, and at that end the call buying started, okay. But still the futures still is at a very huge discount, so that's why not being able to go long properly, because any day a sharp fall can come. Talking about the indicators also, the indicators, as I said, like market is not following data points. The indicators showed a gap here, and the fall should have come, but it did not. And talking about Bank Nifty, so again, Bank Nifty here, if you see, that is there was a gap created and Bank Nifty went up, but again nothing very huge move or something. So it's almost markets are flat. Either every day you can see either a gap up or a gap down. These have become very usual these days. Like I mean, leaving this day, if you see gap up, then even this day also, the very first minute, I mean, even before you could take a trade, just sell off came, then gap down, and then again gap up, and again here also gap up. Okay, so next day also maybe we are expecting some gap up as well. So why? Because the call buying has been done. And the thing is that yes, talking about if there is a gap up, then what level are we heading towards? So the main levels that we are heading towards is this band, 19,775 to 19,762. Okay, and in Bank Nifty we are heading towards this band, 44,630 to 44,607. So we have to be very careful around that band, and if that even crosses, then 44,776, and for Nifty it's 19,762 to 19,775. Even if that breaks, then we would be heading towards 19,930, which I don't think that much is going to come, because the FIs are still heavily shorted in the futures. And yes, talking about the level, so here 19,662 worked perfectly as a resistance zone. These levels were discussed earlier. And for Bank Nifty, this 44,400 level worked as a perfect resistance, and below we have this 44,288, which gave support. Okay, so you can very well see it gave a very nice support there. And talking about the other data point, that is here Gift Nifty is already up, as I just saw. So anyways, coming to, I don't know what's happening. Anyways, yeah, so Gift Nifty is already up by almost 100 points, 91 points here. So FIs do not sell much today. And here the end of the day data is suggesting that we will be might be going up as well. So here huge call buying by the FIIs. So this is the call writing amount, which is negligible, but call buying has been done. So these call buying amount, like in Nifty, it has been done at the very end. In 19,600 CE, I followed there. So the average buying price of them is at around 120 to 125 rupees. Okay, 19,600 CE. And talking about, yes, why did we take put buying position? So even if you see put, this is the put writing amount, and this is the put buying amount. So some products also bought puts today, but they failed. Okay, and that's why there was a gap in the indicator. So this put buying was done during the intraday. Okay, there were more put buying, some were closed, but there were more put buying. So even you can very well see, like, this is the amount of put writing, and this is the amount of put buying, which is more. Okay, so the point being here is that yes, they bought more puts, and the indicator was also caught them and were suggesting a divergence, but fall did not come. So this is like something to throw out the retail traders or the buyers, whatever you say, mainly the buyers, because the premiums are being controlled. And even talking about this FIS data, so put writing has been done, but again they are doing put buying as well. So maybe like for up move is expected, as I said, but then a sharp selling can come. And then talking about call writing positions, so yeah, call writing positions has been done by the FIs, as well as call buying has been done. So but not like the prop decks. They have bought huge call buying amount. Okay, now talking about futures data, futures short positions have been closed somewhat by the prop decks and the FIs, but still FIs are heavily shorted, as well as prop decks. They closed some of their futures long positions as well, and futures long positions of the FIs are almost the same. So overall futures is again bearish from the FI's perspective, but bullish from the this PropDex perspective. Okay, option chain is bullish in both the ways, FIIs as well as PropDex. So what they are trying to do is they are trying to make all of us bullish, and finally when everyone will be like finally shouting again 20,000 or new all-time high, then the selling will come. Okay, so or either at this point, as I said, at this band, if even this band is crossing so you will notice that the futures short positions are being closed by the FIs. If that happens, then we can head towards new all-time high, or otherwise again a sharp fall from there. So that's all my conclusion about this market, why like the data, it's not following the data points, and till where we can see this further up move. So if there is a gap up, so let's see, like so it might be at around, like you see currently Nifty is at 19,000 19,653. okay, so if there is a gap up, then we can might be like seeing 19,735 or at around here near to this level, and then some consolidation there might be, and then we have to notice what the fresh data is saying. Okay, and that's all for today's analysis. So again, if you think that my analysis are not working, then you can put a dislike. If you think that yes, temporarily these things can happen, then yeah, so you can encourage me and put a like, and also you can share it among the other traders. And thanks for